Okay. Now, if we talk about the physical interpretation of the three cases, then as we know that the graph of the quadratic equation is either a cup down parabola or a cup up parabola. If we are getting two distinct real roots or two different real roots, then it would mean that our graph is cutting x-axis on two different points. Whether it is a cup down parabola or it is a cup up parabola, both of them, in both cases, it is intersecting x-axis at two different points. Now, if we get two real but repeated answers, then it means that our curve is only intersecting x-axis at a single point. Or we can say that x-axis becomes a tangent to the given curve. And if we get two imaginary or complex answers, then it means that there is no point of intersection between the curve and the x-axis, or the curve is actually not touching or intersecting x-axis anywhere. So this is a physical interpretation of these three types. We are solving an example to further understand this concept. This example says that find the values of k for which this quadratic equation has two equal roots. So we are provided with a quadratic equation 4x square plus kx plus 1 is equal to 0. First of all, we would be comparing it with standard quadratic equation. So the standard quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. And the condition is a should not be equal to 0. So if we compare, for example, if we compare the coefficients of x square, we get the value of a as 4. If we compare the coefficients of x, we get the value of b as k. And if we compare the constants, the value of c is going to be equal to 1. Now, since roots are equal, so it means that discriminant d is equal to 0, and discriminant is equal to b square minus 4ac. So this is going to be equal to 0. And now I'm replacing the values of a, b, and c in this expression. So a is replaced as 4, c is replaced as 1. We get k square minus 16 is equal to 0. If I move k to the other side, it becomes like this. Now we take square root on both sides, and we will be writing plus minus with the number. So the answer we get is plus minus 4. So these are the two values of k.
Explain complex concepts in simple language and with effective examples. If you like the video and the way we explain the subject, consider liking this tutorial, commenting on it and subscribing to our channel and press the bell icon, so that you stay updated and get notified when we upload more videos. Thanks for watching.